Hey everyone, Jesus with GREE here. When we get into the colder seasons, we often see more A3 status codes being displayed on our GREE units. Don't be alarmed, A3 is not an error code. It is normal operation and just a system's way of letting you know it's in defrost mode. Basically, it's telling you that the outdoor temperature has fallen below the factory set defrost temperature and requires a defrost. If you're dealing with a wall-mounted unit, the A3 status code will continuously be illuminated on the front panel. If it is a ducted unit, then you'll see the A3 code on the wired controller. You will also notice the indoor unit fan will have shut off. Again, this is all normal operation. During defrost, you don't need to do anything. GREE has one of the quickest defrost cycles in the industry, generally completing in 5 to 10 minutes. Just wait a bit, and once the unit completes its cycle, it'll revert back to heating mode and continue to keep you comfortable and cozy in your space. Remember, at GREE, we're by your side.